Hey guys, we just got ready for day 2 now. Oh, nice. Madhuri Lake, shooting of a song from the movie Koila. That is China. Yeah, giant Buddha statue. Bengali restaurant, which is making me happy. A very pretty cafe. We are going to Bumla Pass and Sangetsar Lake today. So let's go.
Before leaving, the owners of the homestay offered us Tawang's local tea, which is made of yak cheese called shirpi. It's a little salty in taste, but very good. Then they performed some traditional rituals for the guests as a part of the Losar festival, as I had mentioned in my last vlog.
गुडविल के लिए ब्लेसिंग्स के लिए मैम आपके लीजिए आपकी लाइफ अच्छी हो उसके लिए
A quick breakfast later, we headed for Sangetsar Lake.
We are at Sangetsar Lake. It's freezing cold. धूप जितनी भी दिख रही है फिर भी बहुत ज़्यादा cold है. आधा lake is very frozen. Very frozen actually. Most of it is frozen. So this lake is also called Madhuri Lake. यहाँ पे there had been a shooting of a song from the movie Koila. So yeah, let's see.
We were strictly advised to not go onto the lake here because a lot of accidents have happened in the past due to people ignoring the guides and stepping onto the frozen surface.
A search of good viewpoints जहाँ से oh nice अच्छा view and pictures मिले से चल चल के जंगलों के बीच.
There's also a really cute cafe here if anyone wants to grab something to eat or just have some coffee while enjoying the view. Then we left for Bumla Pass, which is located at 15,200 feet above sea level and well the highest peak my life has seen till date.
It's too chilled. Oh my god. But how beautiful. Beyond that point, cameras are not allowed because there's that Indo-China border. So can you see people going there? That is China. Yeah. And this part is India. We just came from there, and the soldiers explained the entire history of Indo-China war, how it happened, how our soldiers saved our country. Now you are roaming freely in this part, and I cannot explain it honestly. I cannot, even if I tell you the story that we heard from the soldiers, it won't be enough because it was not like a movie. It was not like something you hear, or people just can show it to you. You need to come here and listen to that because you'll, it was a different feeling. I felt really good. It was a whole new experience for me. They also mentioned today, the 20th of February, is a very important day for Arunachal because it got its statehood today, 40 years ago.
Then we left from Bumla Pass.
See, now we have stopped here at another place in Bumla, which is a very beautiful place. अभी हम लंच करने रुके हैं and for a change we have stopped at a Bengali restaurant which is making me happy, but let's see how's the food now.
This is located in the old market area of Tawang. I had papda fish curry with veg thali here, which in total costed me rupees 450. Then we roamed around the Tawang market for a bit, but most of the shops were closed because of the festival.
So after lunch, now we are here to see the giant Buddha statue.
And you can see how strangers didn't remain strangers for long. And again, this is a new experience for me.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है.
So right now we just reached Tawang Monastery. Let me show you how pretty it is. After returning from the monastery, we went back to our rooms, and now I forgot my mic when we came outside to explore some cafes, which is actually just one is open today because of the festival, as I mentioned. This is Bumla Eatery. I'll show you. It's a very pretty cafe.
I don't exactly remember all the prices here, but almost all the dishes here were in the range of 200 to 400 and the food was good. Also some Tawang street food, planning to skip the dinner.
Girls are now walking to our homestay and it's safe. So जो ये दिल्ली में बैठ के रेसिस्ट कमेंट पास करते हैं यहाँ के लोगों को, कुछ सीखो इधर. हम 3 लड़कियाँ घूम रहे हैं बस, ठीक है, कुछ तो सीख लो.
That was all for today. We'll see you soon in part.
Life's first snowfall, so oh my god. So this is the bunker, I think. यहाँ से गोली चलाते थे. A very good morning straight from Sangti.
Until then, bye bye.